So now we're going to go ahead and talk about the p-value method for solving a hypothesis test. So remember, there's the traditional method, which compares the test statistic to a critical value, or a second method, which is a p-value. And here what happens is we use the test statistic to determine what this p-value is. So the p-value is the probability of the sample we found or worse, something more extreme from the data. So what we do from here is we find the probability, which is really just the area of our test statistic, but importantly it's to its closest edge. Because depending on which table you're using, and in this case it'll be the Z table, the closest edge may not be how the table provides numbers. Now when it comes to a p-value, there's two really important things to remember. First of all, we double the p-value once we get number off the table if we have a two-tail test. And secondly, we decide to reject or fail to reject H0 based on the decision, is our p-value less than alpha? Because if it is, we'll reject H0, and if it's not, we won't. But everything else stays the same. We're going to start by stating the null and alternate hypothesis. We're going to find our test statistic. We'll use that to find a p-value. Then we use alpha to compare alpha to our p-value. So we can reject H0 or fail to reject H0 and then state our final conclusion as a complete sentence.